Question 39. Nitrogen dioxide is a gas that can be generated by emissions from vehicles and factories. It can also be generated by natural sources such as forest fires, lightning, and microbial activity in soil. The equation for producing nitrogen dioxide is shown below. Okay, so we look at this and we have a chemical equation. And chemical equations always show chemical reactions. Just going over a little bit of the vocabulary. So this gas they're talking about, nitrogen dioxide, is generated by emissions. If y'all don't know what that is, it's like coming from your exhaust pipe at when cars are driven, but also factories that have towers, large towers, you can see stuff coming out of it. Sometimes those are also emitting gases as well, not just steam. So if we look at this chemical equation, we see that colorless gas went in and oxygen went in, and it produced a new substance and brown gas. So we had colorless gas. Now we have a change in color. Do y'all remember yellow sunshine when we mixed the two clear liquids and they made something bright yellow? So an extreme color change like this does indicate a chemical reaction. So let's read what they want from us. They say, which of these provides evidence that a chemical reaction occurred? Okay, the total number of atoms remain unchanged. Well, we hope so, because that proves the law of conservation of mass. In other words, if the number of atoms changed, that would not be a true representation of the chemical reaction. So on each side, remember, the same number has to be there, and it all will add up if you balance it. So balanced equation prove the law of conservation of mass and prove a correct chemical reaction. A gas is present. Well, yeah, a gas was present going into it, and now a different gas is coming out. A brown gas is produced. That's probably the answer we're looking for because before we had colorless gas, now we have an extreme color change in the gas. So that indicates something is going on here. And the states of matter remain the same. Well, the state of matter remains the same, but the product here, the brown gas, is our product. It's definitely different from the things that went into the chemical reaction. So our best choice is going to be answer choice C. A brown gas was produced where we before had none. So that would be our new substance.